Sabbath is crucial and essential. And it's something, personally believe, prepare us for eternity. How are we approaching the Sabbath? Correct me if I'm wrong. A lot of what happens on the Sabbath is not prepared. We don't prepare for Sabbath. And especially when that's the day God dedicates himself for a 24-hour period in his presence. We're casual about the whole thing. We are so busy living our lives for 6 days that when it comes to the end of the 6th day, all of a sudden we try and cook up something to bring to God on the 7th day. Would it be nice that come the first day of the week, we are preparing for the Sabbath? How will I worship my Maker and my Creator? Kaya nga, ang kalimbasi ka sa ribe. At yung singatamu, ker kim tu na youth. Do may sota man day ban lotu, may do na practice laylay. So meanwhile, Creator God is there on his day waiting, and we are busy practicing. I'm not saying that's bad. If I was God, I said, okay, they've got much more other important things to do. So Sabbath school kicks in, and doon beka chikoy ke, ali may ko nona na bosa wala ka leka, doon man dami may tala noa. Oh, Pastor Osborne, can you come up and share a story? Unprepared. Hey, we're in the presence of the Creator God. Is that how we do it? Sangaliyada na AY, Ratu John. Ni ko ano da songo ni AY, songo ni veva kurumbuitaki. Eu que o calo a switch off sarang au leda ka talamande inda talaka. Veva kurumbuitaki may namada sa ochi, veva kurumbuitaki talamada vo. Get it prepared. That's what I'm saying. You have 6 days to prepare to meet God in his day. Yes, sir. Romada to kain doing giri may vita may chawach. O yeah, una oso toka. O daka bero nangay suka na chini and ambongini no. Kasi natambong ko. But we need the bucks, at the expense of the Creator, God? I don't think so. And yet, that's the Creator God that can sustain. He sustains the whole world. Why can't he sustain you and me? Salitaka. Nanonda rai membaletan singini vagadeteng nikalo. Nanomatiko. Rona kalile wembuli. Sema tokayani na singini vagadeteng. Kinikarua wembuli vo nikalo via Jesus. Sema tal tokayani kina. Na singini vagadeteng nikalo. Nanon de lutu, ambon don raunda hua saranga, menda solia na ngauna, ki vei na luni ka lo mera talano takana veka what God has done in their life in the last 6 days. That's exciting. We need to have more of that. Kafuganangon da sa may rongo da tinga. Hindi man na imbak sa woti. Awa, may sulikin nung gugula. Hello, we're in 2022. Can we have something new, something recent? Sabbath is preparing us for eternity. I want to remind you this morning how we keep Sabbath.